Today I'll be showing off the functions of our app TasteBuds. TasteBuds is a social networking app centered around people's love for food. I'm going to start by signing up for a video account, specifically for this video. As you can see, you have options for username, display name, password, and email here. I'll just put in a little example email. Now that I'm registered, I should be able to log in, like so. Login successful, and here we go. You're instantly met with the swiping page here, which I'm going to come back to later. First, I want to look at our recipe feed. So the main posts on our social networking app is in the form of recipes. So anybody can upload their favorite recipes. Say I really like spaghetti. I can say recipe name is spaghetti, classic spaghetti and meatballs. Right. Oh. Sorry, the emulator glitched a little there. I can say we need spaghetti. Okay. Then we can enter an amount. Oops. We can enter an amount. Say 1 cup. We need sauce. We can say we need half cup. And let's say we want meatballs. We'll say 1 pound of meatballs. We're making a lot of meatballs today. All right, so now we have our little ingredients list there, and then we have instructions down here. Cook everything and combine. Just keep it simple. We also have this down here, which is to select a picture for our recipe. So we can select one of our many beautiful pictures in our from our gallery here, taken on our emulated device. Let's say this one is our spaghetti and meatballs picture. Computer needs more RAM, looks like. There we go. So I can go ahead and post this, and we should see it show up in the recipe feed when we go back. Yep, there it is, spaghetti. Got the image there on the left. We can see it was created by this video account. If we want to view more details about the recipe, we can come in here. You see the picture blown up real nice. You see the ingredients, the description, and the instructions. And since it's our own recipe, let's go ahead and give it a 5-star rating. Go ahead and submit that. Also, I kind of think I want to change it to, let's say I want to change it to be a vegan recipe. So I'll go to update it. We'll call it vegan spaghetti. And we don't want meatballs anymore, so we'll delete that. And we'll say plant-based meatballs, right? And we'll say, oops, we'll keep it at 1 pound of meatballs because we're still making a bunch. Just because we're vegan doesn't mean we don't want to eat a lot of meatballs. And everything else can stay the same, so we'll give that a quick update. Now we have vegan spaghetti down here, and we see our updated ingredient there as well. Back to the swiping page. This is where we can swipe left or right on different users, depending on what we know about them. We can see their picture. We can see what their favorite cuisine is. We can see their dietary restrictions. So this person named Duck likes Asian cuisine and is gluten intolerant. So let's say we'll swipe right on them. And we get a little notification that we've matched with them. So that's good. We can continue matching with different people. It's John Mendez, no thanks. You know, go either way. And people on the other end can choose to swipe right on you. And if you both swipe right on each other, then you got a match. And when you get a match, you can come to this page, which is the messages page. Oh, it looks like Duck already sent me a message. Hello. I'll send a quick little hello back. There we go. Goes into our nice messages feed there. Um, so I matched with them, so I can send them messages. A fourth feature, I suppose now would be our events. This is for um, vendors to post events on our app here. They can post sales, they can post special meals that they're serving, special dishes. Um, I know there's an event here already, but let's try making a new event. Um, we'll say uh, video event, details about the video event. We want it to be on, let's say we want it to be today, um, May 1st. We'll say it's at 6 o'clock, and it is in names. Now we'll post that, created the event, and if we go here, we see that video event shows up, and we can click on the details. We can see it's at 6 o'clock, it's in names, see the details. We can also see this number of users who saved the event, so I'm going to go ahead and save this event. Saving events is just something users can do to keep track of what events they would like to go to, and it's also a way for people who posted the event to see how many people will be going to that event. Saving is kind of like it's almost like an RSVP to the event. Moving along, we have our profile customization. First, I'll edit the details of the profile. So we can say, I am a student in ComS 309. We can enter different values depending on our favorite cuisines and dietary restrictions. And if we save those, we'll see them show up nicely on our profile. I'm lactose intolerant and I love American food. Oh, that's an unfortunate dichotomy there. And then the other aspect, and a very important aspect of your profile, is viewing your image and uploading your own image. So you can come here, we have a profile image, and we have an additional image that you can also add to your profile. For the profile image, it works kind of similar to the other image uploads we've seen. You can pick one from our gallery. Let's say for an additional image, we want this one, and we can save those. And then now they're here on this view image page. And if we go back to our profile, we'll be able to see our profile image show up in the top right. So that about covers our app. Just as a quick recap, we can swipe on this tab. We can view recipes on this tab. We can view events on this tab. We can send messages on this tab. Oh, we got another one back. That's nice. And finally, on this tab, we can edit our profile and log out.